Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top 5 most useful kitchen gadgets that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The Progressive International PrepWorks. Wedge and Pop Apple and Pear Slicer is a practical and efficient kitchen tool that simplifies the task of slicing fruits like apples and pears. With its compact dimensions of 7.25 L into 5.25 W into 1.88 H, this slicer is easy to store and use in any kitchen space. Crafted from durable plastic in an attractive gray and green color combination, this slicer is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. The stainless steel blade ensures precise and effortless cutting, while its round blade shape guarantees uniform slices every time. One notable feature of this product is its manual operation mode, which allows for complete control over the slicing process. Additionally, the Progressive International PrepWorks Wedge and Pop Slicer is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after use. Overall, this slicer from Progressive International is a must-have for individuals looking to streamline their fruit preparation routine.
The Utopia Upspace Water Bottle Organizer is a well-designed storage solution that effectively addresses the common issue of organizing multiple water bottles efficiently. Manufactured by Utopia, this storage rack comes in a clean white color that fits seamlessly into any kitchen or storage space. Measuring at 7.5 inches in depth, 11.4 inches in width, and 7.4 inches in height, the two-shelf design offers ample space to store up to 4 water bottles. The compact size of the organizer makes it a practical choice for individuals looking to optimize their storage space without sacrificing functionality. The adjustable shelves provide flexibility to accommodate bottles of varying sizes, keeping them securely in place and preventing clutter. The sturdy construction ensures durability.
I recently had the opportunity to try out the ergonomic food mill stainless steel by the Hungry Artisan, and I must say I was impressed by its quality and performance. Made from durable stainless steel, this food mill is designed to withstand heavy use in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this product is its ergonomic design, which makes it comfortable to use for extended periods without causing strain or discomfort. The dimensions of 15.5 L into 8 W into 3.5 H provide ample space for grinding and milling fresh fruits and vegetables to create delicious sauces, soups, jams, and more. I found the food mill to be highly effective in processing various ingredients, resulting in smooth and consistent textures. The stainless steel material not only ensures longevity, but also makes cleaning a breeze. Overall, the Hungry Artisan Ergonomic Food Mill. Stainless steel is a reliable kitchen tool that delivers excellent performance for grinding and milling tasks.
The Joseph Clean Force Garlic Press. Garlic Mincer is a well-designed kitchen tool crafted to make mincing garlic efficient and effortless. Made from high-quality nylon material, this innovative garlic press from Joseph is both durable and practical. Featuring a vibrant green color, this sleek garlic mincer adds a pop of freshness to your kitchen space. The Joseph brand, known for its focus on both functionality and style, delivers a product that is not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. With product dimensions of 6.3 L into 2.56 W and an item weight of 152 grams, this garlic press is compact and easy to handle. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making the mincing process a breeze. The nylon material makes it lightweight yet sturdy, suitable for regular use in the kitchen. Whether you are a cooking enthusiast or a professional chef, the Joseph Clean Force Garlic Press, Garlic Mincer is a must-have tool in your kitchen arsenal.
I recently had the opportunity to test the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer, and I must say I was thoroughly impressed. This kitchen appliance is a game-changer for anyone who loves baking or cooking. The design is sleek and modern, with a clean white color that will complement any kitchen decor. The dimensions of 5.7 D into 8.3 W into 9.2 H make it compact enough to store easily, yet large enough to handle all your mixing needs. The stainless steel blades are of exceptional quality, ensuring durability and efficiency. The special manual feature allows you to control the mixing process precisely to achieve the perfect consistency every time. I particularly appreciate the 6-speed settings, which provide versatility for different recipes. The plastic controls are user-friendly and comfortable to use, making this hand mixer suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. Despite its power, the item weighs only 1.3 kilograms, which means you can handle it effortlessly without fee.